beer saints out there, if you hear me, please do make it happen. I want this beer on the show more than ever. Please make it happen if you hear me.
No, it's just me, bro.
Damn. Prayers don't work. Just find a beer saint out there that can bring the beer.
Gotcha, bud.
You only got me. This week on Hops and
Hops and
Bros.
Bros.
We forgot to say
Craft beer review, not 101.
Yeah. Welcome to Hops and Bros.
Is that what I say usually?
For an open window on the craft beer world, Max and Chris from Hops and Hops and Bros. Welcome to Hops and Bros. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to Hops and Bros.
Yes, we missed it. We didn't put it in the intro because
I legit forgot what we used to say.
We shook you guys.
So I slept very little hours last night.
Never forget. Never forget.
Oh, by the way, it's Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras.
We're filming on Mardi Gras.
Woo!
Mardi Gras!
Nope, not happening. Haha.
Didn't we say if we got to 500 we'd do a naked show?
Yeah.
I had totally forgot. Okay.
Yeah, and we got to 500.
And hopefully no one remembers. So if you hear this, just don't mention it.
Just forget about it.
It's just for you.
Yeah, just for you.
Just for you. So this week, this literally
it's
appeared
very special.
today in my hands. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. Well, wait. Oh, that's really cool.
That's looking good.
That's awesome.
looking good. Yeah. Can you look at it? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, man, that is so
this
great.
This is really cool.
So Chris got a new camera. It's a Fuji X-T20.
Yeah.
And it's the first time that we have a lens that works with the camera, so we can do these kind of things. And it's
exactly.
awesome.
So this is a nice little upgrade that's been going on lately. And if you see that our videos appear a little bit more crisp, a little bit more brighter to your eyes.
That's
or
definitely the camera. Let us know what you think.
That got more beautiful.
Well, I mean, it is also because we get more beautiful every day. I mean, clearly,
of course.
you've seen us. But yeah, so camera. It's a beautiful camera. Let's not talk a lot about the camera. It is a beautiful camera. It does some great things. It's a great addition to the show. I'm very happy that you went that direction. And I'm looking forward to filming more with this guy.
So far,
it's very different from the Canon.
So far, tip of the glass to Fuji
Cheers.
for this great camera.
Cheers, Fuji. Thank you for making a great product. And maybe we'll do a full review on the camera after we've used it for a little bit. Let us know in the comments below if you want us to talk more about the equipment, especially the camera. Yeah,
when we're filming with. So,
yes.
Now beer-wise.
Beer-wise.
What's going on in the show this week? Maltstrom out there. I've been looking at these guys for like a year.
Yeah.
And Noah from Beerism has been talking to us about it. Patrick from Namoval that we just met like literally 15 minutes ago.
We were at Beyond the Pale having a beer, and then this guy shows up behind us and goes, "Hops and Bros?" Like, yeah.
And
it's the first time this happens.
we never see people like their faces online.
No, we don't know.
When it's social media. Yes, we do video, you see our faces. So if you see our faces out there in the real world, not on social media,
then come see us.
Come see us.
Because that's the thing is that we know this guy, we've talked to this guy, we just don't know what he looks like. And same thing with a lot of you guys. So if you're the first guys to come see us, it's the best way. Because you know what we look like.
Exactly. So back to the beer. Maltstrom, this is their flagship beer, the IXPL de Prairies. So it's an Ninja Extra Pale lager. So first time I saw this beer, I was like, I like where it's going. It's a Ninja Pale mixed up with lager.
Yeah.
So for me,
it's a great mix.
It's a great mix. But then I saw some reviews, people talking about it, and it's so positively that it got me mouth-watering.
Yeah.
Every single time I saw someone drinking it. And Noah from Beerism told us, you guys should definitely try it out, blah, 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 but never were able to get our hands on because it's not really on
It's
the road where we want to go.
Not at all. It's about, what,
every
2 hours
time.
from here, 2 hours and a half?
Yeah, it's like on the outside of Montreal, but on the outskirt that we never, like, not on our side of the outskirt. On
Exactly,
the other
it's
side.
really on the other side. Mario from Brewery Trader, plug to Brewery Trader. Hopefully someday they're going to be a little more than just a plug. Mario did an installation over there, and he brought back literally 2 cases of the stuff. So naturally, I picked a couple bottles, and to me it was just
And it's not just bottles.
cans. To me, it was just another beer. I'm like, okay, we brought beer. I'll bring it back. So I sent a picture to Chris. I'm like, oh, review tonight. And just the reaction I got from it, I'm like, oh my, okay, so it is a great beer. It's got to be pretty hyped if he's reacting that way.
I was super hyped. I nearly I quit from work, just ran to Max and drank the beer right off the bat.
I'm not gonna lie, it's not the first time I have this. Mario went a couple months ago and brought back beers from that place, and I think I've tried this guy. I'm not sure. It might not have, but I've tried other beers from them, and I was pleasantly surprised. I really enjoyed what I had.
I'm not sure who I should believe now.
I mean, probably no one. Yourself. Believe in yourself. If
So-
you can remember one thing from this episode is 1, if you have 4 hours of sleep in you, don't film an episode. 2, believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself.
Hey, one thing. If you have 4 hours sleep, should we make this episode the bare chest episode?
No, let's not do that.
No? You're sure? Okay, perfect.
I'm positive.
All right,
I'm
okay,
positive.
perfect.
Let's do a live so we can strip. Please continue. Talk about the beer.
So the beer from Maltstrom. This beer has been around for like a year. They've brewed different batches of it, different varieties of it. They created other different beers also at the same time. The brewery got a little bit bigger, and as we know from our contact at Brewery Trader, they also
Plug
got
number 2.
literally bigger in stainless steel. So
Yeah.
to brew more beer, I'm super excited, super pumped. That means we'll get more of those beers around pretty much everywhere around the Quebec region because, of course, it doesn't get over the border.
Which is the one advantage of being in Ottawa is literally, guys, if you're in Ottawa, you're probably 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes from the border. Just go across, go to any store that says beer on
Exactly.
it, and you'll have some craft there.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I have something in my. There we go. Back again.
Was
so
it gorgeous?
this beer, when we poured it, little yellow hazy tint to it. Look at that. We can do it with the camera. It's fantastic. Nice little fluffy head. Not lacing too much on the glass, but you got the aromas, fruity aromas from the beer. A little bit of
Great
pininess. A little bit, yeah. Great carbonation. Perfect level
Yes,
of
a
carbonation.
little bit of burniness. You're right.
Perfect
Please
level
continue.
of burps
Perfect,
in
yeah.
that beer.
Perfect. Please, sorry. I didn't
You
want
cut
to
me off
interrupt
on
you.
that
I did.
thing.
Sorry. Please go ahead.
Yeah,
No, I'll stop talking.
yeah. Do you have another burp coming? Just sure.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So, nice fluffy head. As soon as I crack the can open, I love when those beers you get like the hoppy aromas coming out. It's just like kind of like those commercials of like a perfume thing. You see the flowers crawling up everywhere, and people so happy to live in a house that smells good. Feels the same way when you crack a can open.
Definitely, yeah.
That way.
And it does have 3 of my favorite varieties of hops. At least 3 that are pretty much in every beer right now, but for a reason, which
Yeah.
is, I don't know if you can see this. This is, by the way, I love this trick. Let's
Really
see.
good.
Is it going to work? I've got to go
Yeah,
a
you're
little
too
further.
close.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay, so I got
there
to
you
go
go.
about there.
Yeah, yeah.
So, as you can see, there's this little table where there's the malts, there's the IBUs, there's the hops, and then there's the flavor profile, which I love. I think it's a great concept. Very simple. You've got 4 little squares with only words, not even full phrases. You only
straight
need
up to the point.
words. Yeah.
There you go.
And it has the hop varieties, which is Citra, Mosaic, and Galaxy, which great hops mixed together, great hops individually. We've had them individually in the past, and it's great. Please, talk. Just don't let me talk for too long.
do well.
No,
You do
please
well.
don't. I'm just
You do well. You
so
never
tired.
do that. You
I'm
never
so
do
tired.
Okay, perfect. I'll take over. So on the nose, you get those nice fruity aromas, a little bit of tropical fruits, grapefruits, not too much. Balance it out with that kind of like pininess that we get through
Which
it.
usually I'm not a fan of pininess. For this guy,
It's
I
well
find
done.
it's very well done. The pininess is really just in the bitterness, but I do get fruitiness
Exactly.
in my first couple of gulps, which I like.
And also, you get a lot of dryness from the smell.
Yeah.
I do get a little bit of dryness, and this is where the cereal character of the lager and the dryness of the lager really shows up. It's when you take your first sip. So balancing out with like a little bit of fruitiness, not too much. I'll get a little bit more citrus. Balanced out with the cereals and that nice dryness at the end. It's kind of like well done. And it's just lingering in the back. Makes everything dry. Makes your mouth dry. Asks for another sip, but also feels light and crisp. I love it. It's
I
sharp,
would, I
light,
would
and
crush
crisp.
many of these.
Oh.
Like when you brought back the 2 full flats, the 48 of them, I was surprised. I was impressed. I was
Yeah.
like, "You're really gonna drink all this?" And you know what? Yeah, you probably could.
Probably could.
Yeah, it's a great beer.
It's
It's
nice.
6%, so maybe not crush the whole thing in one night, but it's
Yeah.
very drinkable. Which in these kinds of beers, that's what you want. You want
Yeah,
something that's
why not
drinkable.
share it with a friend? That's what you want. And this beer, literally, I couldn't be more pleased about it because I've seen some
hype is
India
real,
Pale
man.
lagers around, but this one for me, I thought it would set a benchmark in my head, and it did.
Yeah.
So far,
definitely.
it did. So I'm really pleased. All those beers, those hoppy lagers coming out, I'm really, really excited about them because it creates a sharp, dry, nice beer, easy to drink. Kind of like cuts off that it's a quench thirst beer. Is that
Thirst quenching.
thirst quenching beer? I just mixed up the whole words.
You did.
But
Well, that's why we like you
I know
as friends.
as friends, not as lovers.
No.
Because like Valentine's Day
As
was
life partners without perks.
yeah without perks. But yeah, we got perks. You bring out some beers.
I do.
That's
Then,
perk.
then you bring out some beer too.
Yeah.
So it's reciprocity in a completely platonic relationship
And-
of where we enjoy our presence and beer.
Yeah, yeah.
Our
And-
friendship is built on beer.
Yeah, literally. There's nothing else except beer.
I mean, there's cameras as well. So if you want to hear more about the Fuji X-T20, let us know in the comments below. Now, is there anything else you want to add about this beer?
Stop by Maltstrom if you happen to be around the area. Fantastic. I know I'm not pronouncing the area because I forgot literally the name where they are. I feel bad.
I'm not sure where they are. They're far.
Yeah, it's Notre-Dame-des-Prairies, so it's
Notre-Dame-des-Prairies,
it's not super close to Montreal, but it's like maybe 45 minutes outside of Montreal. So it's
But
really
definitely worth
stopping
it.
by.
Definitely worth it. Meet the folks there. I hear they're very nice. They're very interesting people. And
I heard
Yeah.
that they're probably giving away free i5s.
Wow!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
They have the same deal as us.
Wow.
So if you happen to be around at Maltstrom, you need to say the code OPSandBros
Yeah.
2018 to get your free i5.
Yeah, exactly. It's super simple.
Super
Now,
simple.
I'm gonna open some brackets here. This is hilarious.
I know.
They
I
have
know.
no clue we just
I
said
know.
this.
I love it.
So I
It's
really
great.
hope you
It's
guys
great.
do this.
Yeah.
They're gonna be so confused.
If you guys go and claim your free i5 at Maltstrom, please do share a picture or video.
Please do, yeah.
On social
and
media so
tell
we
them
can
that
say
we
it.
sent you.
Yeah.
Now, until then, high five, bros.
High five, bros. And yes, cheers. We need to do a cheer. I want to cheer
cheers.
that. So
I
cheers.
love that autofocus,
Yeah, that's
bro.
just
That
fantastic.
autofocus is so.
So subscribe to the channel. We're really close to 600. We don't know what we're doing at 600, but it's going to be amazing. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. As always, cheers. So awesome. I know. I can't. Let's do it again.
No, I say